sand to melt into
What?
okay. Okay, next one is we have fabric. Okay, fabric example, our clothes. Okay, our pants. They are made from fabric. Okay, so clothes are made of fabric. Okay, do you have many clothes, Chibel? How many clothes do you
Yes,
have?
I do.
How
I
many clothes
have
do you have?
lots of
Lots of clothes.
dress.
Okay, very good. So, fabric is made from plants. Okay, like cotton and anything like this. Also made from animals like sheep and silkworm.
What? It made from the sheep.
Yes. Also from alpaca and goat can also make a fabric.
Paka. What the paka?
Alpaca is a type of animal that's same with goat and sheep. Okay, fabric is made from plants and animals. Okay, so we have cotton, wool, and silk. Okay, so these are examples
What
of
for the book and cities?
okay, so we are almost finished. Okay, can you answer these questions? Where does wood come from?
The wood come from
Come from
trees.
trees. Okay,
Tree.
again, where does metal come from? Metal come from
From rock.
rocks. Very good. Plastic is made from starts
Sand
with letter O.
on
Oil. Very good. What is glass
oil.
from? Glass is
Sand.
from sand. Okay. What is fabric made from? Plant and
Plants and animal.
okay, very good. Okay.
Animal.
Wood comes
So,
from metal,
well,
from rocks.
this and
Plastic is
animal
made
comes
from
from the
plastic is made from oil or
trees.
petroleum. Okay. All your
Plastic
answers
and
are
plants.
correct. Okay. So now we are going to answer okay, for 3 minutes. Okay, you are going to, we are going to put these materials, if that is wood, plastic, glass, or fabric. Okay, we have a toy. What is a toy? Wood, plastic, glass, or fabric?
I made of the plastic.
Plastic, very good. How about clothes?
Made from the fabric.
Fabric. How about pencil?
Made from the plastic.
Huh? Plastic, really?
Plastic.
Hmm.
I would
Wood. How about buildings? Made
for
from
wood.
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 About jeans.
Cheese. Paper.
Fabric.
Fabric.
Umbrella.
From the
Umbrella.
umbrella made of the plastic.
Huh? Plastic law. How
Yes.
about the
Is
fence? This one.
fence.
This one is made from
Wood.
Wood, very good.
It's from
How
the
about
wood.
window?
Window made from the glass.
Glass. How about greenhouse? This one made from, look at the picture. What is made from the picture?
Glass.
Glass. How about bag?
Made from. It's made from the plastic.
Very good. How about this spoon? What is this spoon made of? Made from wood. Okay, how about furniture? Furniture like tables and
Made
chairs.
from the wood.
Wood. How about this bowl? The last
Wood.
one. Bowl.
Plastic.
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 How about the glasses?
Made from the
Glass.
glass.
Drinking glass. It's glass. How about bed sheets? Bed sheet
From
is
fabric.
fabric. Very good. Oh, time already. How about cup?
Cup made from the grass.
And parachute is made from
The
fabric.
plastic.
And blocks are made from plastic. Okay, let's check your answers. Okay, very good. Clap our hands for Chibel. You got 20 over 20. Wow, that's so smart. Okay, Chibel, it's already time. Did you eat your dinner already?